ASVAB GED High School Math Challenge. Are you ready? Let's go. So what we have here is we have this exponents problem. We need to simplify it. So I just made this laws of exponents. I'm just going to put it over here so we can just get a reference of what laws of exponents that we need to use for this problem, okay? So the first thing you see is we have these parentheses, so we're going to use this power rule where the exponents are going to get multiplied. So let's go ahead and do that. So step one is I'm going to use that rule. So a to the fourth power, b to the negative 2 squared. So that is going to be equal to, this gets distributed, okay, the outside the parentheses, and they get multiplied. So this goes a 4 times 2, and b negative 2 times 2. So that gives us a to the 8th and b to the negative 4. Okay, so that's in the numerator. Also in the numerator is this. So let's just go ahead and write that next to it. So we have a to the 8th, b to the negative 4, and then we have a to the negative 3rd, b cubed. Now this is all in the numerator. We can go ahead and simplify that using another rule of exponents, which is right here. When you have a to the power of m times a to the power of n, that gets added. Okay, exponents get added. So in this case, we are just going to add exponents rule. Okay, this rule is we are going to basically a to the 8th and a to the negative 3 is going to be a to the 5th. Okay, because a is going to be a 8 minus 3, and then it's going to be b negative 4 plus 3. So we're just adding the exponents. So now we have a to the power of 5 and b to the power of negative 1. All right, that's all in the numerator. Now let's go ahead and simplify the denominator just like we did the numerator. In the denominator, we just have a squared b to the negative 4. So we want to make everything positive exponents now. Okay, and see, look at this rule. If you have a negative exponent, you can bring it to the denominator and make it positive. Okay, so the rule is right here. So if you have a negative exponent, you bring it to the denominator or vice versa. So let's go ahead and do that for this. And then when we do that, we bring the a squared to the numerator and b to the negative 4 to the numerator and change the signs. Okay, so it's going to be a to the 5th times a to the negative 2 times b to the 4th times b to the negative 1. So now again, same, we're going to add these now. So it's going to be a to the power of 3 and times b to the power of 4 minus 1 is 3. So that is going to be our final answer, a cubed b cubed, which is represented by choice a over here. Okay, a cube, b cube. So now if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this, then please join me for my ASVAB GED High School Math Bootcamp at patreon.com/inspirational STEM. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.